Hi, this is Alex from Ingage. Today, I'm going to show you how to use deep linking to seamlessly open Ingage from your favorite apps and vice versa. Deep linking is a great way to keep customers engaged during a sales pitch without having to back in and out of different apps. This is how it works with our partner, Leap. Ready to create a deep link between your Engage presentations and Leap? I'll show you how. First, log into your Leap account and navigate to the Resources section. Click the New button and choose Engage from the dropdown under Resource Type. Now, we'll name this link with the title of the presentation we're linking to and select the offices we want to be able to access the link. Finally, we have to get the deep link ID from Engage. So we'll go to the Engage app and find our presentation we want to create an ID for in our library. Right-click the presentation and choose Copy Link. Then choose Deep Link and press the Copy Link button. Navigate back to Leap and paste the link into the box and click Save. We're continuing to add your favorite apps. Contact us today to find out if we connect with the other apps you use. If you have any questions, just contact the customer success team to set up a personalized demo.